Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the secret process behind getting perfect eyebrow tattoos. Whether you're a student of permanent makeup, someone considering getting it done, or you've already had your brows tattooed, this video is for you. First off, let's talk about the consultation. It's super crucial to have a thorough consultation with your artist. They'll assess your face shape, skin type, and discuss your desired look. Don't be afraid to bring reference photos. Communication is key here. Now, onto the technique. There are mainly 2 to 4 types: microblading and ombre brows, powder brows, combo brows. Microblading uses a fine blade to create hair-like strokes, perfect for a natural look. Powder brows, on the other hand, use a machine to create a soft, powdered effect, which is great if you love that filled-in look. Next, let's chat about the actual tattooing process. It's typically done in 2 sessions. The first session is where the magic happens. Your artist will map out your brows and start tattooing. This can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours. The second session, usually 4 to 6 weeks later, is for touch-ups. This is when your artist perfects the shape and fills in any gaps. Pain level, it varies, but most people compare it to a slight scratching sensation. Numbing cream is often used to minimize discomfort. Aftercare is super important. Right after your appointment, avoid getting your brows wet and keep them clean. Use the ointment your artist recommends and avoid picking at any scabs. Your brows will go through a healing process. They'll darken, scab, and then lighten. Patience is key here. Now, let's talk about longevity. Eyebrow tattoos can last anywhere from 1 to 3 years, depending on your skin type and lifestyle. Regular touch-ups can help maintain that fresh look. For you budding artists out there, practice is everything. Take courses, invest in quality tools, and never stop learning. The beauty industry is always evolving, so keep up with the latest trends and techniques. If you're thinking about getting your brows done, do your research. Look for certified professionals with a solid portfolio. Check reviews, and maybe even book a consultation with a couple of artists to find the perfect match. Alright beauties, that's a wrap on today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more beauty tips and insider secrets. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay fabulous.